Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can start a video meeting from Gmail. So after you open the Gmail, you can go to Meet section, click New Meeting. So you can select Get a Meeting Link, Share, or Start an Instant Meeting, or you can schedule in Google Calendar. So for example, I'm going to select Get a Meeting Link to Share, and then Share Invite and share to others apps, and then after done, close, and here's just click on it. So when you're ready to join meeting, just click join.